Do you want to experience reviving and radiant skin? Groomed and Tailored knows exactly what your skin craves. High, effective quality men's facial care, clinically tested and organically certified. Presenting our specially designed premier facial products to cater to issues that you combat daily. Introducing the Groomed and Tailored Aftershave Lotion. Formulated with premium top-of-the-line ingredients, our aftershave lotion is a combination of balm and cream that helps soothe and moisturizes. It reduces irritation and redness, prevents dryness, wrinkles, and gives your skin a smooth and shine-free finish. Our hydrating facial moisturizer, specially prepared to replenish the skin with nutrients and moisture to make you look flawless. The retinol, hyaluronic acid, and collagen combination ensures spotless skin, reducing the acne marks and fine line appearance. Our eye moisturizer, carefully integrated with ginseng root extract, cucumber extract, glycerin, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera gel to address the sensitive issues of the eye area, like dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Our facial products range is suitable for all skin types. So why not protect your skin and embrace your face? Because you deserve it. Groomed and Tailored. High level of self-care. #GetGroomed.